Question number 1.
The professor suggested that each student submit their essay before Monday. A is B, BC was.
Question number 2.
David looked forward attending the leadership seminar in Toronto. A for B to CE on.
Question number 3.
The committee reviewing the final version of the project report. A is B, are C were.
Question number 4.
Aya couldn't put with the noise while studying for her exams. A, out, B, up, C, off.
Question number 5.
Not only the deadline missed, but also the client was disappointed. A was B where C did.
Question number 6.
Chloe is responsible organizing the charity event next weekend. A for B of C about.
Question number 7.
Mateo insisted that the document sent immediately. A are B, BCT were.
Question number 8.
Zola's family planning a big dinner to celebrate her graduation. A is B, are C were.
Question number 9.
Emily called the meeting because several team members were sick. A on B, off C up.
Question number 10.
Rarely students submit assignments this early in the semester. A, do B, did C, are.
Question number 11.
Kenji was praised for being capable solving complex equations. A of B for C to.
Question number 12.
The management team divided on the new company policy. A is B, are C have.
Question number 13.
Sophia put her travel plans due to the weather in London. A on B, off C, away.
Question number 14.
If I would double-check that data before the meeting. A, M, B, where C was.
Question number 15.
Liam made sure to follow up his email to the Sydney office. A to B with C about.
Question number 16.
The faculty discussing new methods to improve online learning. A is B, are C, were.
Question number 17.
Not until the last minute they realized the report was incomplete. A did B have C do.
Question number 18.
Javier's friends were tired waiting for him to arrive. A of B for C from.
Question number 19.
The teacher requested that everyone quiet during the test. A is B, B, C was.
Question number 20.
Emily and her colleagues looked to the annual conference in New York. A on B, forward C, forward to.
Question number 21.
The majority of the class confident about the upcoming exam. A is B, are C, were.
Question number 22.
Mateo's proposal was turned by the board due to budget limits. A, off B, down C, over.
Question number 23.
It's essential that every employee present for Monday's briefing. A is B, B, C, was E.
Question number 24.
Zola helped her brother his new business in Cape Town. A set off B, set up C, set in.
Question number 25.
Never before such enthusiasm among the students. A, has there been, B, there was, C, there has.
Question number 26.
Chloe is interested learning more about digital design. A on B of C, in P Dwight P.
Question number 27.
The board of directors agreed to implement the new policy. A has B, have C, were.
Question number 28.
Aya promised to take care of her younger sister while their parents were away. A for B of CC, 2.
Question number 29.
Should the manager late, please start the presentation without her. A, B, B is C, was.
Question number 30.
Liam and Chloe cleaned the kitchen, washed the dishes and the floor. A, mop, B, mopped, C, mopping.
Question number 31.
The research team analyzing the new data for publication. A is B, are C, were.
Question number 32.
Javier ran an old friend while walking through Rio's market. A, into B, over C, across.
Question number 33.
It's vital that students informed about safety rules before the trip. A, are B, B, C, were.
Question number 34.
Emily's family always supported her dream of becoming a doctor. A, has B, have C, were.
Question number 35.
Not only the presentation impressive, but it was also perfectly timed. A was B, were C, did.
Question number 36.
Sophia apologized being late for the lecture. A to B for C of.
Question number 37.
The staff expected to complete the report by tomorrow. A is B, are C, were.
Question number 38.
Aya gave her old textbooks to the local library. A, up, B, away, C, off.
Question number 39.
The teacher demanded that every student turn off their phones during class. A, turn off, B, turns off, C, turned off.
Question number 40.
Rarely Liam misses his morning run, even on rainy days. A, do B, does C, did.
Question number 41.
The team, along with their coach, excited about the final match. A is B, are C, were.
Question number 42.
Zola relied her colleagues for support during the project. A to B, with C on.
Question number 43.
The principal insisted that the event postponed until next week. A is B, B, C was.
Question number 44.
Kenji took the role of project leader after his supervisor resigned. A in B, over C, up.
Question number 45.
No sooner we reached the station than the train departed. A had B, did C have.
Question number 46.
Chloe is committed improving her presentation skills. A for B to C on.
Question number 47.
The audience impressed by Mateo's confident speech. A was, B were C, are.
Question number 48.
Aya and Kenji plan to meet lunch tomorrow in Tokyo. A at B on C for.
Question number 49.
If only Javier arrived earlier, he wouldn't have missed the flight. A had B, has C, have.
Question number 50.
Not until the email arrived we know the meeting was cancelled. A did B, have C do.